very own WGN Midday News.
A 10-year-old is dead and another child hospitalized following their apparent exposures to high levels of carbon monoxide. Hello again, everyone. I'm Patrick Elwood.
And I'm Dina Bair. Thank you for joining us. Winnie Dorch is live in the city's Albany Park neighborhood with more. Winnie?
Good morning. That 10-year-old found unresponsive around 5 this morning. She was taken to Swedish Covenant Hospital. A 12-year-old victim also taken to the hospital. Now, investigators focusing on this apartment building on West Gunningson near Sacramento. The Chicago Fire Department recording the highest carbon monoxide reading inside the building was 300 parts per million. People's Gas, Chicago Police, and the landlord have been in and out of the building all morning. All residents were informed to leave. We talked to a woman who lives there. She was sitting in her car when we arrived on scene.
So when they told me and I wake up, I feel headache and the dizziness. So I was trying to put on my clothes, and then I came in my car here to wait. And then they told us, the guy came in to check our hand to see how high we are with the poison, but we were 0 low. So that's why we didn't go to the hospital.
And detectives are conducting a death investigation pending autopsy results. We did try talking to the landlord, but he refused to comment. But this is also a message the fire department is urging everyone to make sure your CO alarms are working. I'm live from Albany Park. Winnie Dorch, WGN News.
Winnie, thank you for that. Also in